Hello, oh God, got my beard. Hello, fellow makers. Father Printmas here, and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup's Christmas Advent Calendar. Just a quick one today, as I have got other things to do. I need to make all the other toys for all the other 3D printed boys and girls. Not that I 3D printed boys and girls, that sounds strange. I've got a lot of 3D prints to do for the rest of the Advent Calendar. So, we did a gyroscopic snowflake a few days ago. I found another one by the same maker, and he's made this wonderful thing. It's a gyroscopic bauble. It starts off flat, and you spin it around, and it turns into this wonderful, spinny, trippy little thing. I tell you, it's very, very well designed. It's got a lovely little star in the middle, and it makes it very interesting. A compliment to your festive tree. I haven't seen anything weird and spinny like this since I drank that 2-week-old eggnog. But that's another story. So yes, this is a lovely 3D printed bauble, which is bound to entertain and delight the entire family. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Father Printmas, and I wish you a Merry Printmas. Ha ha ha! Merry Print... I've got my finger stuck in it. Ah!